guys, ayan, last night nagbigay kami ng gift para sa mga security guard dito sa condo namin sa baba. Hello, ayan. Kahapon, nabigyan namin 5 guard at ngayon naman 6 naman. Kasi kahapon, last night, panggabi yung guard na nabigyan namin. Ayan, ito yung binibigay namin, yung flashlight. And then, may angpaw. So, yun guys. Punta na kami doon para sa pang morning naman na pang AM na guard naman yung bibigyan namin. Tara na, Nathan! Come on! Sige. Bye! Ay. Ayan, si Nathan. Nandyan, no? You, change your slipper. Out there. O pala. Oh, ha. Yan. You will say to the guard, Merry Christmas, okay? Say, you will say to the, oh,
let's go.
yan.
Saan tayo ground?
Ground na lang. Nandun sila eh.
Hey, where?
No, where? No.
There's 2 and there's 5 for.
Yes, they put a numbers because there's no numbers here. 2, 5. It's a 9.
Oh, do not jump.
9.
No jumping, no jumping. I'm so sorry, Mommy is so late. Because Mommy go to somewhere.
Wait, there is. Go, where mommy, go, go, go.
Okay.
Go. Hey, there's.
Come here, my love. Be careful. Let's
Let's find the
go there. Let's find the officer. Ah, ay, they're busy. They're busy. Ito muna kay ate. Ano pangalan mo?
Durando.
Duran.
You give it to ate. You say Merry Christmas. Wow.
And then,
Give you.
Wow, thank you. Merry Christmas.
other busy. Let's come back na lang. Unahin muna natin doon sa kabila. Welcome.
Let's go.
Later. We will come back. Unahin muna natin doon.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Ang ganda, kasi meeting ka agad. Yung ko kung... Careful, ah. Hey, be careful. There, oh. Ano pangalan mo?
Grace po.
Mary Grace? Give it to the officer, Milap. What will you say? What will you say?
Merry Christmas.
Yes, the other one, yes.
Thank you, Mama.
Mayroon na? Kagabi?
Ito po, ma'am, sa inyo po. Ito, friends na yun.
Sa amin? Galing saan? Okay. Alam ko na. Thank you.
903.
Come on, be careful, Nathan. There's a car. You're happy, ah? Let's go back there. Because there's the office there are How many officer? Apat pa.
Apat na lang.
Oo, dalawa na ano eh. So, apat na lang. No, Nathan? You give it to... No, the officer first. IC first. Oh, you're afraid. Do not be afraid, my love. Si Alvarez nandito. Naka-leave siya. Si Quintero.
Ando po, sa gate, sa taas.
Si, Akimad. You give to Ahmad. You give to Officer Ahmad.
Thank you.
So, what will you say, Mary? Sige, yung dalawa, sunod na lang kung ano. Ay, papapuntahin dito?
Andiyan lang naman, andiyan lang sa taas
Pagkaakyat. Sige. Sige, please. Sige po. Thank you. What will you say, T? Merry Christmas! You will give this to Officer Quintero. Nathan, this one you...
Ang nakalip na sinisiring ngayon na Emolia Baro.
Si Jokdin Alvarez.
Babae? Babae ba?
Hindi ko alam kung babae yan. Oh, you hold this one, Nathan. Give it to Officer Quintero. Okay? Let's wait here.
Let's wait.
Because the other officer call. No, here. Coming na. Siya ba? Quintero, you give it to Officer Quintero. Yes. And what will you say, Mary? What will you say? The other one, wala. Next time na lang.
There's one only.
Oh, one only. One only. Naka-leave. Next time na lang. No? So, are you happy? You're happy that you give present to the officer? Huh? Now we will go home na? Not yet.
There's one more present down.
But the officer is leave. He's on vacation.
Vacation.
So we need...
The officer is catching beef.
No? What?
The officer is catching beef.
What catching beef?
The officer is catching beef.
Oh, thief? No. Yes. The officer is catching thief. Yeah, they're catching thief. And the bad guy, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then the officer is catching thief, right?
Like this.
And the bad guys, right? And then see to it that we are secure and safe, right? Right, Nathan?
Yes, look at this.
That's why we give them a present, right? Okay, done na. Mag-present. Mag-gift giving. So, what will you say? Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, no!